Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. And firstly we need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here we have this golden areas, this is actually a touch area. And let's get started with a single press. If you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Let me press on it, and as you can see at this widget, I just increase the volume. To lower it, you need to press one time at your left earbud, and again just press on it, and as you can see at this widget, I just lower the volume. Next one we have double press, and with double press, let me play some song. We can play or pause the song. So 1, 2, I just play a song. You can use the left or right earbud, and I just play a song, so it also works. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times also at the left or right earbuds. And you can then finish the call by pressing 2 times at your left or right earbuds. Next one we have triple press. And with triple press we can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, so then you will call Gemini. Now let me play 3 times. We can use left and right earbuds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again. And as you can see, it works. Siri is awake. Also, let's try the left one. 1, 2, 3. And it also awake a Siri. Next we have press and hold. And with press and hold, we can, if you press and hold at your right earbud, you can play next track. So let's check it. Here we go. And also you can reject the call by press and hold at your left or right earbuds. And the last one we have press and hold at the left earbud, and we need to open SOUNDPEATS application to show it to you that it works. Now just a second. Sometimes it happened with this application. Okay, and now we have it. I just perform a soft reset. Put it to the charging case, close the case, open the case, and these earbuds reconnect, and now we have it in the application. Now, right here we have ambient sound control, and if you press and hold at your left earbud, you will swap between this mode. So if you use normal mode, you will swap to ANC. Then if you press and hold again, you will swap to transparency mode, and from transparency mode you will return to a normal mode by just press and hold. Now, the last one is a control on your charging case. Right here at the left side we have it, and with it you can enter pairing mode by press and hold it for at least 3 seconds. When your earbuds inside the case, you will enter pairing mode, and then you can pair your earbuds with a phone or another device. And you can also perform a factory reset with it by press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!